this video, we're going to take a look at my Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey, and welcome to my Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded review. I'm Ronnie Rock Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com, and calling the Rockstar Video Marketer. And if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all of that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular product. So the first thing I need you to do is to look in the video description and check out that first link. It's going to take you to my bonus page here. Once you're on my bonus page, you scroll down till you find the buttons that say Get Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded. Click those. Once you click that button on my bonus page, it's going to take you to the sales page where you can check out the product and then check out. But when you click on this button on my bonus page, what it's going to do is lock in my bonuses for you in the back end of Warrior Plus. And I'm going to show you how to find those bonuses towards the end of this video later on if you're not familiar with Warrior Plus and how to find those, okay? But first of all, let's talk about what is Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded. So basically it's some training and it's going to show you how to build your list the right way. So this was a product that's put out by Cynthia Bennett and John Newman. And they're going to take you along the journey on how to do list building the right way. So let's go ahead now and check out the sales page first. Okay, so when you're looking at the sales page, it may look a little bit different than my version here because this is only the preview of the sales page, so I got early access to this. But let's go ahead and read it. Even total beginners are making great money with this exposed copy and paste system makes us $364.40 per day in just 60 minutes. Having a profitable buyers list that pays you over and over is now easier than ever. So go ahead and watch the VSL here. It's going to tell you a little bit more about the product. It's a unique method that's working right now, 100% beginner friendly, multiple income streams built in, includes our secret source for free sales page on autopilot, copy paste easy for fast results. So go ahead and look over the entire sales page on your own free time. I'm not going to go over every single detail from this page. It would be a waste of my time and yours. But here's some screenshots of their earnings that they use with this system. Okay, in just 3 steps. Step number 1, grab your copy of Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded now before the price increase. It's always good to get in earlier, right guys? That's why I do these review videos, to let you know about them sooner than later so you can get these at a better price. Step number 2 is copy and paste our simple step-by-step setup. And step number 3, sit back and relax as our instant buyer traffic fills your account. So let's go ahead and breeze through this. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside first of all. So Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded Blueprint. You're also going to see exclusive profit source. You're going to get some traffic sources. You're going to learn about that. Scaling with free advanced strategies. And you're going to get easy money case study number 1 and easy money case study 2. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Alrighty, so here are the extra bonuses. So bonus number 1, you're gonna get List Me. So it's gonna also teach you how to build a quality email list fast and cheap. Bonus number 2 is OLSP Traffic Domination Group. It's going to show you how to earn commissions daily. Bonus number 3, 0-hour workdays. You're going to learn how to create a lifestyle business that gives you money and free time. Bonus number 4, 10K Email Manifesto. How to start an email biz that makes you 10K per month. Bonus number 5, 7 deadly sins of email marketing. So what you need to know to make money online and what not to do. Okay, so that's the 5 extra bonuses you're going to get if you pick this up today. Okay, so let's check out the money back guarantee here. You can take 30 days to test drive Buyers List Bonanza on our dime, exploit the cutting edge methods, traffic resources, and more. So if you're not happy, go ahead. Within 30 days, you can get a refund on that. Okay, so here's the vendors of the product: John Newman, Cynthia Bennett, Ricardo C. Harvey. So that's going to wrap up the sales page. So let's go ahead now and take a look inside the members area. So we're inside the members area here, and if you're familiar with ClickFunnels, then you pretty much know how to navigate these membership areas, right? But at the top you have dashboard. You can join the Facebook group up here and log out. So if you're not familiar with ClickFunnels, let's just basically go through the navigation here. So you have modules, and to get into each video, you click the drop down tab here, and then you can access each video by clicking on them. So you got a welcome video, which is here. Then you have an orientation video. So let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit. You can sign up for the advanced training call with this list button, claim your fast action bonuses here. You can check out Cynthia's video right here and subscribe to her YouTube channel. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can check out Ricardo's video here, his welcome video, and subscribe to his channel as well. And all the way at the bottom, you have a couple of more buttons. Get your own website, get help writing copy, and exclusive free training call. Okay, so let's go through the modules and the training up here. So inside module number 2, the main training, you're going to get an overview of the method, a landing page setup video, thank you page setup video, picking our offers, setting up the rotator, email follow-ups, sending traffic, segmenting our buyers, keeping your list clean, and join the list building and traffic group. Okay, in the next module, you're going to have the reloaded section. So this is going to give you an intro video. You're going to get day 1, 2, 3, and 4, the 10 by 10 challenge, and the email series. In the next module, you're going to get those case studies that was mentioned on the sales page, which is case study number 1 and number 2. And in module 5, you're going to get the conclusion and the next step video. Okay, so that's right there. Module number 6 is the bonuses that was mentioned on the sales page. You can access that here. Module number 7 is going to be the unannounced bonuses, so you're going to have some in here. And module number 8 is some resources, so you can get to that here. And finally, module number 9 is the upgrades. So when you click the upgrades button in here, you're going to be able to access all of the upgrades inside this module right here. As you can see, if you wanted to purchase these at a later time, they'll always be available inside of this module, okay? Okay, so that's going to be it for the members area. Now we're going to go ahead and go into my bonus page, and we're going to go over each one of these upsells so you can see the prices on that. So let's go ahead now, without further ado, we're going to head to my bonus page. We're going to check out those upgrades, and then we're going to go ahead and look at my bonuses. All right. So before we get into the upgrades right quick, I didn't mention this before, so let's talk about it now. When is this product actually going live? So it's going live Friday, September 24th, 2021 at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's a 5-day launch, so it's going to end Tuesday, October 28th, 2021 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After that, the price is going to go up, and make sure there's still time left on this timer here, guys, so that you can lock in these bonuses, okay? So make sure you take advantage of this early, guys. So let's go ahead now and check out the upgrades. So upgrade number 1 is Buyers List Bonanza. This is the pro version. Okay, this is going to be for $27 with a $17 down sale. So basically what it is advanced training where he's going to show his clients everything that worked for him since he started online in 2014. And this includes free and paid traffic strategies and insider secrets to the affiliate marketing game. Case study included. Upgrade number 2 is the Buyers List Bonanza Done For You 365. So this is $37 with a $27 down sale, and basically what you're going to get is done for you bonus pages every week for 365 days, plus a one-time funnel, plus email swipes. Of course, this is going to be required that you have Commission Gorilla and ClickFunnels to take advantage of this bonus, okay? So if you don't have ClickFunnels or Commission Gorilla, then you're going to have to get those. Now, I do have a special link in my description for Commission Gorilla, where if you need to get Commission Gorilla and you want to use my link in the description to pick it up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you my bonus page code as well, so you can use my bonus page template, kind of like the one you're seeing here. Okay, it's a template page, and you're going to be able to use that inside your bonus page builder in Commission Gorilla. So if that's interesting to you, go ahead and check that in my description. All right, so upgrade number 3 is still our traffic. This is for $197 with a $97 down sale. So basically what you're going to do here is put your pixel on the sales pages of their previous products from 2020, as well as their future products for the next 12 months. And this is going to allow you to build up a huge audience of proven buyers. Upgrade number 4 is Buyers List Bonanza Triple Reseller Rights. So this is $37 with a $27 down sale, and you're going to be able to sell Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded as your own products and keep 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel, as well as their previous products, the Collector and 10x Commission machines, and you're going to have guaranteed approval to promote those products. This is ideal for newbies. And finally, upgrade number 5 is Launch Accelerator. This is for $1,497. So this is only limited to 5 people. So if you're interested in this, make sure you take advantage of this as soon as possible. And what you're going to be able to do is you're going to launch a product with them. And this is the quickest way to get a buyer's list. So they're going to do all the work for you. They're going to pay for the professional sales page, copy and design, 1K plus, and you collect 100% of the buyer leads, and you get 10% of the profits in sales. So if you're just getting started, but you can afford $1,497 to get started immediately and you have a product, then this is a great way to get started quickly to build a buyer's list and start making some money on the fast track. So that's pretty much the upsells. Now let's go ahead and go over my bonuses. Alright, so if you get Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded right now, you're going to get the 4 bonuses below, okay? These are worth $2,306 if you decide to invest today using my buttons on this page. So bonus number 1, I'm going to give you my secret list building vendor Rolodex, okay? So you're going to get the complete list that I use that helps me build my list of hungry buyers. Bonus number 2, you're going to get my copywriting sequence. So you're going to learn the right order you should write copy and how it can help you make more sales. Bonus number 3 is color psychology and marketing. So you're going to learn how to decode colors and use them to your advantage when it comes to marketing. So this is great if you want to use these on your sales page, landing page, or what have you, okay? Really cool bonus. And bonus number 4 is the 5 vendor bonuses that are listed on the sales page. So here's a quick recap. Combined, that's $2,306 of extra value when you order through my link on this bonus page today. Again, you're going to click any one of the buttons, right, that say Get Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded, and it's going to take you to the sales page. Then you can check out from there, and then in the back end of Warrior Plus, you're going to get my bonuses that I just showed you. So if you're pretty new to this stuff and you don't know about Warrior Plus, you need to create a Warrior Plus account, okay? So go to warriorplus.com, create your account. That way you don't have to worry about this step later on. You can go do that first and then come back here, click my button, go to the sales page, check out, and my bonuses will be waiting for you in the back end. So let me show you how to find that right quick. So if you scroll down on my bonus page, it's going to show you how to find your bonuses in Warrior Plus or JVZoo. Okay, JVZoo on the bottom, Warrior Plus right here. In this case, this product is launched on Warrior Plus, so let's go over this section. So once you created your account, you're going to log into your Warrior Plus account after you checked out, right? So you're going to see your name that you created here with a drop-down tab. When you click that drop-down tab, you're going to see purchase history, and then you click that. It's going to take you to another page. It's going to be step 2. You're going to look for the link of the product that you purchased. In this case, it's going to be Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded, okay? You click that. It's going to take you to step 3. Finally, on this page, you're going to be able to access your purchase with the green button, and the blue button is going to give you access to my bonuses. And that's how you find your bonuses in the back end of Warrior Plus. So that's going to wrap up my Buyers List Bonanza Reloaded review. So I hope this video helps you out. I hope that it helps you make an educated decision on whether you think this product is a good fit for your business. Thanks for your time and interest. I'm Ronnie Rock Smith with USA Digi and RonnieRockSmith.com and Coin the Rockstar Video Marketer. And guys, happy marketing. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure to hit that like button, click subscribe, and be sure to smash that bell icon and choose all so that you can turn on notifications.